Hello, in this video we will talk about how to use TSSA compliance to define a compliance exception for a particular component. The scenario here is I have two Linux servers out of which one has the user1 entry in the /etc/passwd file. The other server doesn't. Hence when I check the entry of user1 in /etc/passwd file, one of the servers will be compliant, the other one would be non-compliant. Now I want to create an exception for the non-compliant server so as to make it compliant with exception. So let's see how to do it. I have created a component template. In the part section, I have /etc/passwd file. In the compliance section, if I check the rule, it is checking if the /etc/passwd file exists and the content of the file contains user1 in it. Now I have already created a compliance job using the component template and executed it against the two Linux target servers. So I'll right click, show results, expand the run. In the server view, I can see Linux target 1 as compliant and Linux target 2 as non-compliant. To check the rules output, I can expand this, go to users and click here. I can see that the left hand side value, it does not contain user1 entry in it, hence Linux target 2 is marked as non-compliant. Now to create an exception for Linux target 2, I will go to component templates and search for my component template, expand it. Here you can see one component created for each target server. If I want to create an exception for Linux target 2, I will right click on this component, click on exceptions, click on the add button, provide a name. Here you can provide the expiry for this exception as well, if it should never expire or if you want to expire it after a certain time. So I'll select never expired for now. In the associated compliance rules, click on the add button. Here you can select the rules for which you want to create an exceptions. If you have multiple rules in the component template, you will get all the rules over here and you can select any rule for which you want to create an exception. In my component temp, since I have only one rule, I can see the same rule in here. So I'll select it, click OK, OK, OK. Now I'll run the job again. When I expand it in the server view, now I see both the target servers as compliant. However, the difference here is Linux target 1 is actually compliant and Linux target 2 is compliant with exceptions. So this is how you can create an exception for a component. Thank you for watching the video.